it's speech to text. Okay, so this one's free. It does have in-app purchases, so you will get some ads. So let's kick it off. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. It's very nice if you are on a run and you need to. Okay, so it does have ads, so you just want to click off the ad. All right, so in order to begin, just click new note button to add a note. So let's do that. And you also have on categorize, so you can add categories to it. Okay, so to add a new note or voice memo, which is just going to be up here, you can see that it's already recording my voice. See? All right, so let's add a title. This is just a test. Okay, we'll go back down. To speech to text. We are now recording with the Yeet camera and what it looks like when you record your voice and then it's captured into text. And right now it's uncategorized, and as you keep talking, it'll continue to do that, and you can pause it by hitting the pause button right there. Okay, and that once it stops, you can either leave it there and save what you got, or you can go back and hit the microphone icon on the top, and now you just keep on talking and it'll continue to add the text. So let's stop that, and then let's see what other features it's got. So right now it's uncategorized. You can set it in a category if you want to, or you can share. If you share, and it's going to open up other apps that you can send it to. So you can send this to Google Drive or Docs. You can send it to Docs if you wanted to. To save all this as a Word document, and then here you can also change categories or delete. Since I'm just using this as a demonstration, let's just delete it and say, sure you want to delete? And say yes. Okay, here are some other options. You can manage category, you can rate. There's the information button, and here are all notes or uncategorized. And that's it. I like that app very much. It's easy to use, and yeah, it saves you a lot of time. All right, thanks.